All right, let's go into it.
See where I don't have it.
All right. So, what do you want to look at? You want to look at setups?
Yeah.
What's the? I mean, I'm not going to go through every setup, but what are some of the problems or issues that you're having?
Okay. First, go to your global settings. Where is the word processing link?
What?
Where does it pull the word processing files from? Where does it know where they are?
Ah, okay. No, no.
He knows what I'm asking, right?
You're talking about the note. You're talking about the notes connected to the templates.
Right.
Because now I'm going to take a step back. I'm going to answer a different question. The PM in the PM, those files have to be in a particular directory.
Okay.
Okay, which I can show you where those are.
Okay.
But that's not you're asking about now.
Well,
The on the EMR, they're not in a directory. They're in the database, and I'm going to show you how you do it. That's what you want to know.
right.
Okay. In order to do that, we have to go into the admin tab. I'm sorry, tools tab. Nope, it was the admin tab. God, am I getting? We're going to go into templates. We're going to go into note templates. Okay. And let's just pick an example. I will do annual exam. Okay.
Okay.
I'm in the designer,
Right.
right? I'm going to look at Word documents. We happen to have one out there, but I'm going to create a new one. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new one from an old one because I don't like typing.
You're recording this, right?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm recording it. This was it. This was the word. This was the one I had actually brought in from the other one. Okay, but now I'm going to create a new one. You with me?
Uh huh.
And I'm going to change some things around. By the way, do you all have 2007 or the older one? Okay. I had at one time figured out how to put in a link to the. And Kevin, you might be able to help me on this. I don't want to put in the object. I want to put the link in, and I can't remember where the tool was. I struggled with this last night or the night before. How I put the command in to link to. I'm going to center it. I want to insert. It's not the picture. That'll put the picture in. Can the hyperlink just be to your drive? Okay, so I want to go into here. Here, browser file. Hang on. All right, so now I I stored the logo on my local C drive, eMedsys, documents, miscellaneous. No, I don't want to link to a file. I want to link to an image. It's not. It's not in there. That was a Word document. It's not. Yeah, I know. I knew where it was, but it's not there. Oh, files of types, Office files. I want. I'll go all files. Okay, let's do this way. C drive, eMedsys, documents, and miscellaneous. Okay, there's the logo. This is what happened last time. It didn't. It should give me. It should actually give me the. And this doesn't work. I did it another place and I couldn't. I couldn't replicate it. But assuming we can solve that, okay. I can do anything else in here too. So I might go patients Name is whatever.
Yeah, no,
I
I'm
modify it.
actually, you should be able to say either insert object or insert picture. Yeah,
All that.
get rid of that.
All right.
Okay, select the picture.
That all that does is insert the picture. It doesn't really. It doesn't insert the link. So if I change the picture, it doesn't. It doesn't do it
Oh,
dynamically. No, it's really the link. All right. Anyway, let's continue.
yeah. Well, because
So I create
it
this.
is
I'm creating this Word document. Now I created from something because I'm lazy. I could have created it from scratch. Okay. And if I know what everything is called, I could be typing in the little caret things and all that other crap.
Does
Okay.
it happen to have like a more dynamic?
Do I have a better example?
Yeah, like something where like if something from the template's missing, then it would put
Right.
something else
The
in,
squigglies.
like so that it doesn't look like a document created by an AMR, like a typical AMR document.
I have to be home by midnight. I mean, this is work that we get. We're gonna. I'm not prepared to show it all to you.
Okay.
You know, we could look for an example.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Just that I can pull it on my computer.
Right, right. I'm right with you. And then I just have one more thing after
Hang
that.
on. I haven't finished showing you this. Whatever. I modify it. Now I'm going to save this document, and I need to remember where I put it for right now. Remember, I'm really saving the template here. I'm not saving the finished document. I'm going to save it in my emed. I'll just save it here. I'm going to save it right under the eMedSys direct, just so I know where to get it. Okay. Cheryl. I'll call it Cheryl. I'm going to get out of this. Now, I'm not done. I'm not done by any means. Because now, in order to really attach the document, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a new. I'm going to browse and find the document. It's called Cheryl. Yeah, I found it. Okay. And I'm going to try to save it, except I need to name it caption. Okay, I forgot to call it something. Browse Cheryl. And by the way, after I do this, I can go back to eMedSys and erase that because this is actually stored in the database somewhere. I just used that because I had to browse to something to attach it to stick it in the database. So now, what was this one called? Annual exam under family practice. Let's test it. I'm going to do a note. It's under family practice. Annual exam. I put my stuff in, yada, 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 right? I save it. I click Word Merge, and I should see two documents. That old one I had, plus the document called Cheryl.
Yep, that's what I wanted. Thank you.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it and print it, and it's gonna have something ugly. I didn't do a very good document, but that's not the point. The point is showing you how it works. There it is,
Right,
and it merged stuff in. See,
right.
practice. Patient's name is Sally DeCoster, date of birth.